So hi all, first time posting in the group. This is Akora. Quick question. I've been using lens.org, which I have seen for some time to dive into patents. There's a free and a paid version of Lens. I've noticed it's challenging to simply aggregate a list of all patents for one company, since large companies often have multiple applicant names for the same company. And some use the variation of company names and owners as well. It seems like there should be a solution to this. I'd be happy to build something that can actually aggregate all patents. Was there a question there? Should be a solution to this? Well, okay, I guess, so the question is,
please come.
How do we solve, how do we collect, how would I identify all the patents owned by a big corporation? Well, and I'm not a patent researcher, okay, but we do have those on our team. What I would say is there's lots of different ways to look for patents. I rely on Google Patents. I know the Patent Center at USPTO.gov has gotten a lot better, got a big facelift a couple years back. And there's an advanced search function. I do believe there is an applicant. There's also the assignee, which is where I would probably start. Assignee is the owner of the patent. And that's going to be the corporation. That'll be the company, especially if it's a sizable company. They're going to have in-house counsel, general counsel that'll advise them to transfer the rights of any individual applicant or inventor to the company. So I would say query by assignee. Look for the name with the full company name, and it should pull up almost everything. I don't know lens.org that well. Matt, have you heard of it? Is that a trademark?
No,
okay.
I'm like you. If I have to look at a patent, which I don't, but if I do, I go to Google Patents.
Google Patents, yeah, it's quite good.